I'm Dr. Khurshid from Dr. Manzoor Eye Care Center, Srinagar. For the last few years, I have been using an intraocular lens by the name of Optiflex Genesis, which is manufactured in Ireland by the BIOTECH company. This lens is an aspheric, yellow, hydrophobic intraocular lens. And the material of the lens is very, very thin. It's a very flexible lens, which makes the manipulation of the lens very easy inside the eye. I usually use this lens apart from using it in general patients. I also have used it in my VIP patients. A few months back, I implanted the lens in one of my patients, Dr. Farooq Abdullah, who is the ex-chief minister of J&K state. His both eyes have the same Optiflex Genesis lenses, and his recovery was amazing, and his vision right now is 6/6, both eyes, without any spectacles. Very recently, a month back, I did implant the same lens in one of other ex-chief ministers of my state, that is Miss Mehbooba Mufti, and same thing, her recovery was amazing. By evening, she was able to see very on the same day. Everything was very nicely seen by her. And in fact, both these patients, they're very happy about it. And so I have so much confidence about this lens. So now it has become my premium intraocular lenses. And the best part is the BIOTECH company who takes care of these lenses in India, their services are very good. They're very flexible about the payments, about the services, about the supply chain is very good. So I'm quite satisfied with the way they're making these lenses and supplying these lenses to all the ophthalmologists all over the country.